He put each bat in a cage and then applied a poison called vampirin to their backs with a brush before releasing them. Back in the bat roost, the animals would be groomed by about 20 other bats, causing their deaths, or so Oliva hoped. We have to look for answers because this little animal is very stubborn, Oliva said days after the capture, surveying his 300-head herd, most of them bearing bat fang markings and red stains from the nightly bloodletting. Oliva said he would exterminate every bat if he could. Stefan Close begged to differ. He not only stuck up for the common vampire bat, but described the animals as boons to humanity. Bat-based research led to the development of sonar and anticoagulant medicines that prevent heart attacks, he pointed out, and scientists are only beginning to understand the creatures. I certainly defend vampire bats' right to a place in the ecosystem, said Close, a young German zoologist. People's irrational reaction to vampires, he said, reflects our primal fear of being someone else's food object. Close also confessed a fondness for the creatures. The scientist said feeding time, when the bats accept bits of bananas from his hand, is a really sweet and peaceful sight. It always reminds me of how close these animals are to us and how incredibly intelligent they are. Certainly more exotic and wilder than my neighbor's dog, but no less smart or cuddly.
So you've heard enough that you ought to be able to answer these 3 questions. I don't want you to write anything down.